I have a fact of North Korea.
Yes.
You know that at North Korea, there's no Wi-Fi, no TikTok, no Instagram, and sometimes no light. And you know when you live in North Korea, they have to check your phone. It's a must.
What?
Yes.
No Instagram, no TikTok. But those are supposed to be rights.
And even no Wi-Fi.
But Wi-Fi, the UN said
And
Wi-Fi.
and the street is always empty. And everyone's always poor. Everyone in the single North Korea except the president.
Why is it like that?
Yeah, I don't know.
No right whatsoever.
No light.
Well, you know, when a country is ruled by a dictator, yeah, and people don't have rights to speak on how their country should be led, that's what happens. That's why we fight for freedom here in Uganda. Because if we don't stop it, if we don't stop Museveni, we can end up like North Korea. You want us to be like North Korea?
No, but Tata, let me show you. You see how North Korea has a prison for everyone, even for the travelers.
Wow.
You see?
Yeah, but Suubi, that's what happens when countries are not free. People keep losing freedom, one freedom after another. You remember during the elections, the internet was switched off. Even in Uganda, there's no Facebook. Do you know there's no Facebook? There's no Facebook anymore in Uganda. They cut it off.
Tata,
Yeah.
and I see Shalom on Facebook.
She has to use, you see, now Shalom is smart. She bypasses and uses what they call VPN. But other countries don't use VPN. So for people that don't have VPN, they cannot access Facebook.
But our whole entire family has VPN.
Of course, we are smart.
Wow, hackers.